In this unit, we will discuss about the practicing the rules. Since perfect familiarity with the rules is essential to rapid writing, the aspirant for speed is advised to vary his dictation practice by writing from dictation the exercises which appear in ordinary type in the pages of the manual or first part of the instructor. Pitman shorthand is a connected system, and the most elementary rules have been formulated with the needs of the fast writer in view all the time. There is an orderly development throughout the whole system, so that the advanced principles of abbreviations cannot be properly understood and instantaneously applied unless the elementary rules are understood and can be applied without hesitation. Practice in the writing of the exercises which illustrate the various rules has upon the shorthand student which must the same effect as practicing the scales has upon the advanced student of music. The more thoroughly the scales are studied and practiced, the more easily will the musicians play the most intricate passages in any musical composition. Similarly, the more familiar the speed writer is with the exercises given in illustrations of the fundamental rules of the system by means of repeated practice in writing exercises from dictation, the more easily and quickly will he become a fast and accurate writer of any matter he may be called upon to take in shorthand. It is well known that the most accomplished pianists are the most persistent and regular in their practice of difficult scales. The shorthand writer cannot do better than follow their example and apply their methods to his own subjects. So, these are the rules which you have to follow while you are practicing or writing the shorthand.